so without further
This one's
ado-
going to be all rainbow.
Yes. Yes. Well, we're going to try. We're going to attempt.
Yeah.
And if it turns out to be a yucky, like brown or anything, that's okay. It's still fun. Still fun. We're going to mix a few colors together. So
We're going to use like all the glitter and we're going to use
we're not going to use like all the glitter.
not like,
We're going to use just a few like shakes of each.
yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
And then we're going to use like 3 or 2 of like each.
Yeah, 3 or 2 drops each. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Hey guys, it's C and A. We hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. We hope you guys enjoy our videos.
Okay, so first
This is
we're
going to be a quick video.
because my iPad, I'm not using my phone right now, but my iPad's up to 5, so we have to hurry up. Okay, so first we're pouring in
The glue.
the glue. We're only using 2 bottles this time.
Because this one, we don't technically know what it's going to look like with 2 bottles because we used a half a bottle and a full bottle already.
So we're pretty much done. Oh.
We want all this glue to get out.
Okay, it's all out.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Oh, no.
next
Yeah.
is mix 1 1/2 bottles of warm water. Okay, so we poured in the cup, We poured in the cup. And now add your food coloring or glitter. or glitter. So we're going to add both. So where's the other food coloring? Did we put it back?
No.
Where did it go? I think it fell. Oops, let's go get that. Okay guys, so my dog had it. So there's a hole in this one. And look at this one. She bit the cap, so we have to throw it away. Oh God. She could get away with anything. Literally anything. Okay, so
We're going to do the purple one first.
yeah, do purple from the side.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Wait. Let's mix them together and see how it is. Oh, I think we put too much purple.
Put some more pink in there.
No, I don't want to put too much of this. And then put a little green.
Oh my God, that's disgusting.
And then we're going to do blue. Let's do blue. I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This did not come out with tie-dye.
It's okay. It's okay. Now mix.
Well, for at least we tried. Don't mix it in all the way.
That's pretty cool.
Dude.
It's kind of like,
Put this green in here.
now mix. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, now mix. Yeah, like that. Let's not mix all the way. No, don't put the green in. Because it's going to look, you know what it's going to look like.
Purple?
No,
Why?
really bad. Okay, so we're pouring in the glitter. We're doing the red.
Wait, can you open this one?
Yeah, I'll open it.
I'll try to open up the blue if I can. Okay, I could open up the blue.
This is like a beige color. And let's do them at the same time.
So this is going to be like legs right now.
We're doing red and blue. I don't know why.
But then we're going to put in some purple and green maybe. This is going to be like the glitteriest slime ever. Oh, there's a bubble.
Let's not mix it in to make it all glitter.
What?
Let's not like really mix it in and make it all glitter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're going to do some purple.
Wait, not too much. Let's try to mix it in. Won't even mix in. That's pink.
Purple, pink.
That's good. Because we kind of want it like... Hey guys, sorry about the lighting. The video ended because my iPad died. We did make the slime and I will show you guys tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.